Hey there everyone, this is Rasan speaking and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video we're going to learn that how can you install VS Code in your Windows machine. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your browser, any browser you have. I'm using Edge, you can use Chrome or whatever. Then search for VS Code. After that, open this first website over here, which is download Visual Studio Code. Then click right on here, like for Windows, because we're using a Windows machine, obviously we're going to download the Windows version. So click right over here and the download will start. Let's wait till it downloads. After the download is finished, open the file. Accept, next, next, next. Then check these two things right over here and open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu and open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Check both of them and check this if you want a desktop shortcut. If you don't want it, then leave it as it is. Then click on next, then click on install. Click on finish. So this is exactly how you install VS Code on your Windows machine. You can log in or not log in, it's up to you, but I'd suggest you to log in using GitHub. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and goodbye.